Listen, you guys, we are literally at it again with some massive Telegram groups that provide amazing signals, and I'm going to be showing you Signalpeak today. And I need you guys to understand, you can literally start for free for one single day. You can actually try it out. Most importantly, guys, after you try it out, you're going to be like, hey, it's definitely worth it. And then you're going to find out it is dirt cheap. So you guys will see right here, you're actually going to have access to over 100 plus premium Telegram channels. Now, mind you, I want you guys to understand that we do have crypto, but we also have Forex as well. So whether you like crypto, right, crypto junkie, or a Forex junkie like me, then obviously Signalpeak is going to be the place for you to go. Now, if we take a look here, you guys can see that you're going to be able to choose your plan. But before we dive down into that, you guys will actually see that we have a lot of benefits, right? So before we actually get into this right here, let me just show you exactly how it works. So the first thing that you actually want to do is click right here, start free trial. And that's going to take you directly to what is known as the Signalpeak Bot. Now, you guys need to make sure that you are using this, okay? Because I will go ahead and tell you right now that if you actually go to the website and say scroll to the very bottom, you will see that there is another Telegram. But for this Telegram, you guys, it's actually going to take you to their official channel, which is right here. So if we actually go ahead and just say view in Telegram, let's actually do this really quick just to see what happens here. But if we actually take a look here, you guys are going to see that a lot of people are actually joining, right? You can actually see that people here are making some mad money, right? Look at that, over 200 plus gains, over 172% gains. What else we got here? 127. I saw some the other day. Look at that, you guys, around like 3,000. This one's almost at like $6,000, right? So people definitely out here making a bank with Signalpeak. I mean, you guys can see it right here, right? Which is actually really cool. So I got to go ahead and show you the groups and once again show you how easy it is to get yourselves started, okay? So once again, you guys, this is the Signalpeak official Telegram channel. However, you need to make sure that you are part of the bot. You want to click the bot and you want to get to the channels, right? So click right here, which is going to be that start free trial. Once again, Signalpeak Bot, right? You're going to click right here for start bot. We're going to go ahead and just open it so you guys can see exactly how this looks. So you guys will see right here 100% real time forward from original VIP channels, a 1 day free trial available. So you're going to click right here and you guys will see right here, they provide you all the details. Once again, you guys, there is a massive amount of groups here. It's literally easy and simple, okay? So I'm going to highly recommend you guys check this out. We got daily over 100 plus signals, VIP support on Telegram, careful risk management, crypto signals with high ROI, and lifetime access, right? So you guys can see that. So basically, we got that 1 day, which is for free. We got the monthly plan, we got the lifetime plan, we've got affiliate and more. So basically, you can click right here, 1 day for free, and you guys will see right there, we have two different options. As I mentioned earlier, we got the crypto channels or we have the Forex channels. That is going to be up to you, my friend. So in this case, we're just going to click right here for crypto, and you guys will see all of the channels. That's it. Show's over, okay? I'm joking. But anyways, you guys will see right here that we have a massive amount of channels. So literally, my favorite one has always been the first one. Why? Well, they provide really good signals, okay? So you can click right there, you're gonna be able to request to join, and you guys will see right there, it's gonna open up and boom, okay? So we are in this, right? We're in it. So you guys can actually see right here, we have a lot of different calls. So this one is gonna be a BAT. So what we're actually gonna do is we're actually gonna pull up Trading View really quick, and we're just gonna confirm this, right? So you guys can actually see right here where they actually provide their calls. But not only that, you guys will see right here, these obviously is the proof, right? They have longs, they have shorts, but you guys will even see if we just kind of scroll up, we should have, these are the actual calls right here. So you can see where they provide an entry. Not only that, they do provide a stop loss. They provide you the signal or which token it is, and they even, or coin, right? You'll see right here that they provide targets such as short term all the way to midterm. So this one's at like 7 cents, looking for midterm all the way at 20 cents, right? They provide the stop loss right there, right? And it just kind of continues. So let's just kind of take a look at this one. This one was a BAT. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to pull it up on Trading View just to see exactly what it looks like. And once again, you guys, I believe that this one is the Binance Whale Killers VIP group, whatever. So we're going to pull up BAT and we're going to pull it up against USDT on BAT, okay? Or Binance, I guess I should say, okay? So you guys are going to see right here that, yeah, this thing has blown up like crazy, okay? So if we actually just kind of pull that back up, you guys will see right here, we're talking about their first target. So the entry was way before this, but the first target was 17 cents all the way up to 32 cents. And it looks like they literally have smashed every single one of them. So you guys will actually see right here that this actually started all the way down here at about 14, 16 cents, and it has had a beautiful uptrend. Now, you guys are probably thinking, what is this indicator? Well, this is actually a really cool indicator that Signalpeak provides in their official Telegram group. And once again, I'll show you that here in a few moments. But you guys can see that their call was 32 cents, I think, and it hit a high of 36. Mind you, you need to make sure that you are taking profit yourself, right? So you guys will even see right here, if we continue, let's just kind of scroll to another one. We got KSM. This one, you guys, was at 21. Wow, 21.50, and it looks like it hit a target at about $50. Look at that, 725%. That's crazy. So KSM, let's just kind of type that in real quick and see what we can actually get here, because I'm curious to see this KSM. So wow, yeah. So this one, absolutely incredible. You guys started all the way down here around 18, 19 cents, 20 bucks, or 20 bucks, excuse me, 18, 19 dollars, 20 bucks. And you guys can see that this one blew up all the way to 54. So definitely smashed straight through their target. So you guys can clearly see that. Okay. So I want you guys to understand, I mean, yeah, they are absolutely killing it. Okay. So that's literally just one channel. Okay. Now, if you guys go back, you're going to be able to check out all these other channels as well. We got like Binance pumps. We could actually request to join, and you guys could see, you're going to be able to see that every channel has different ways that they actually make these calls. Not only that, the different ways that they show their proof. Okay. So you guys will actually see right here that we have a lot, right? So entry, right, for ONDO, we have take profit targets right there at $2, right? Or $2.10 all the way up to 216, right? Entry is at 205. I mean, that's still good. That's still pretty good, you guys. And it just kind of continues from there, right? So you guys will actually see that, yeah, they have a lot of groups. And as stated, if you guys check this out, right, I want you guys to understand, if you go back to the main part of the website, you'll see right here, we have 100 plus premium. We got futures, spot, alt signals, long and short, right? Intraday scalps, standard swing trades, mega signals, right? We're talking about massive gains. We got precise technical, fundamental, and sentimental analysis, risk management, 92% accuracy, 24/7 support, exclusive access to new projects, whitelist, early gems, a largest learning material library for trading. So you guys, once again, you can try it out right now for free. The link is going to be down below, all right? For one day, try it out. Or you got 1 month at $99, right? Or you could just do this lifetime, which is literally a no-brainer at $350. I mean, once again, you guys, a lot of people made gains. Now, if you go back to the other Telegram channel, right, for Signalpeak, I want you guys to understand, I mean, listen, they provide a lot of different things here, okay? And you guys need to understand that, right? So obviously, you guys, if you just go back, you check them out, right? You want to view in Telegram, you're going to open, right? And you guys will actually see right up here, they even have the, I believe this is where you can get that indicator that I'm using. You can actually see right here, this is a step-by-step explanation of how to use it, okay? So technically, you guys, they talk about, listen, no hidden fees, no nothing, right? You can set it up yourself. But this is the indicator, all right, that they technically use. We're talking about for buys, sells, and more, right? So check it out. Let us know what you guys think. A lot of people are joining, right? Start the free trial. Just start it out. Let us know what you think. We'll see you later, and ciao.